Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Start by laying the XL shirt flat with front and back aligned, smooth wrinkles. Measure across the chest and compare to a medium shirt, then mark 3. 5 inches inward from each side, seam along the full length to reduce circumference. Fold the shirt with seams aligned and use straight pins on the 3. 5-inch guideline from underarm to hem. Mark sleeve seam changes if you want slimmer sleeves. Also measure high shoulder to hem, and note any 2-inch shoulder taper needed for fit. With pins in place, cut the excess fabric outside the pins and leave a 1/2-inch seam allowance. Cut carefully to maintain even curves at the armhole. Pin the new side seam, matching hem and underarm, then stitch from hem to underarm with a 2.5 mm stitch length. Repeat on the back panel. For the sleeves, trim 1.5 inches from each sleeve seam if you want a medium arm opening, and reattach the underarm seam aligning raw edges. Press seams flat and finish raw edges with a zigzag or serger. After sewing, press both inside seams flat with moderate heat and steam. Press toward the back panel for a cleaner drape. Trim seam allowances to 3/8 inch if bulky, and finish raw edges with a zigzag stitch or serger set to about 3.5 mm width to prevent fraying. Try the shirt on and check shoulder alignment and sleeve length. Make up to 1-inch incremental adjustments at side seams if necessary. Finally, top stitch hem if needed and launder on gentle cycle to relax stitches before final wear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.